Gemini, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 20th of December. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign that I'm doing the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for all of you. The first card that I see for you is Two of Wands, Five of Wands, and the Knight of Swords. Person B here has Six of Swords, the Chariot card, and the Devil card. Now bottom of the deck I have a Three of Pentacles, which means that in some cases there could be a third party situation, or there could be some kind of an interference from a third person. Now from the first set of cards, which shows your energy, I see you have Two of Wands. Two of Wands means two options, okay? And with Wands energy, which is fire signs, it basically shows physical attraction, passion. So in some cases, you may be physically attracted to somebody who is a fire sign, and you have two options also, and that's where the confusion is. The second card for you is Five of Wands, which means that, for a particular situation, either in your career or in this particular relationship, you are dependent on an outside force, and that causes stress to you. So you're not having control of that situation, you're dependent on somebody outside, and that kind of freaks you out. The third card for you is Knight of Swords. This means that with a very rushed energy, you want to go ahead and have an honest conversation about something. Now for person B, your partner, the first card is Six of Swords. This means that this person will find this relationship to be a burden. There could be something which is making them believe that this has kind of become a burden for them now. The second card is the Chariot card, which is Cancer's energy. Here it means that they want to march forward, they want to take it forward, and they want to go ahead and just take it to the next level. The third card here is the Devil card, which means that there's something negative around this person, and this negativity could be anything. It could be a person, it could also be something like sex, drugs, alcohol, anything which causes negativity in this person's life. Now let's quickly go ahead and also see what is the intention of this person for you for this week. So the first card that I see is King of Swords, Four of Swords, and the Strength card. Now with King of Swords, it means that there needs to be an honest conversation with this person. So even this person wants to have a face-to-face conversation with you. The second card is Four of Swords, which means that they will take a break. They will try to withdraw their energy, take a small break, and see if they can go ahead and recharge their batteries, and then think through what they exactly want to do in this relationship. And the third card here being the Strength card, which is Leo's energy. This means that in order to go ahead and take care of something, you need to go ahead and ensure that you put in the amount of courage and bravery to tackle that situation. Now let's quickly go ahead and also see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle deck. So the message that I see here is a time for healing. This means that if there is something which has happened, you need to heal yourself before you go ahead and take the step forward here. Now we'll also quickly go ahead and see what is the message we have from Archangels, and if there is a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Sugarlight. The crystal message being, are you experiencing repetitive thoughts or incessant mind chatter? Do you grab onto a thought memory or life experience and chew it over and over and over again? It is time to let go and release situations from your past, whether it is 5 minutes ago, 5 years ago, and find inner peace and true happiness. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Uriel, which I'll go ahead and put in the description box, and you can read it from there. Now that's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and till the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.